Plant Pro Sejal Lanterman.
Good morning. Today on the Plant Pro, we are visiting Plainview Nursery in Portsmouth to get an interesting look at a very popular native plant, the azalea. So here to tell us a little bit about that process is Rhode Island Wild Plant Society member Dorothy Swift. Good morning, Dorothy.
Good morning, Sejal.
All right, well, thanks for having us. Now, I think a lot of us are familiar with azaleas. Of course, not all azaleas are native. So can you talk to us about which ones we're going to be talking about right now?
Okay. The native species we're talking about are generally deciduous azaleas. Okay. And the ones that grow native in our region are found generally in the woods, and they bloom with a light pink color.
Okay.
Now, the colorful azaleas you see in landscape plantings are, for the most part, evergreen azaleas that originally come from Asia.
Okay.
So we are trying to encourage people to grow native azaleas more. The local species, the ones that are hardy here, that extend further down into the Appalachian Mountains.
Right.
And so we're starting them from seeds.
Okay, so I don't think most backyard gardeners are familiar with starting azaleas from seed. So
No.
tell us a little bit about the process. I can't get over how small these seeds are. Right, they're very small.
We get the seeds from the American Rhododendron Society Seed Exchange.
Okay.
A number of their members will collect seed in the wild or from plants that they have.
Okay.
So we can get different species. And then we start them in these little food containers.
Okay, and when were these started?
These were started February 14th this year.
Of this year, okay.
And you can see they're growing nicely. They're still just a little bit too small to transplant. And these are doing well. We have two other kinds in here that are a little behind this first group.
Okay, so then how long does it take to get from this process to the next step here, where these are a little older, same variety?
Well, let me see. These were put into this pot. These were sown in June and put into the pot in September.
Okay.
So from September to now, these were little ones, a little bigger than this, and they grew.
So this is a long process. So we're just about out of time, but to go from seed to something that's going to be ready for your plant sale, which is coming up on June 1st, how long does it take then?
This is going to be about 5 years.
5 years. All right, you guys are
years.
dedicated. All right, well, I think we're just about out of time, but that's really amazing. I bought one from you guys a couple years ago, and it's doing amazing.
Wonderful.
So it's a great plant sale. Thank you so much for giving us this unique perspective.
You're welcome.
All right. If you have any questions on native azaleas, you can visit the Turn to 10 website and send me an email. From URI's Outreach Center, I'm Sejal Lanterman, and we'll see you next time on the Plant Pro.